Of all the pieces of equipment that we've built, I have to say that our bucker design, like this is what really excites me. You don't want to get your hand caught in this. These are very, you can hear it, stiff bristles. If you put your hand in there when that was running, it would tear flesh off. You do want to be careful. You do wear safety gloves. The idea is these brooms turn in on themselves, right? They're turning in, so anything that goes in there is gonna get stripped. It doesn't matter how big the hemp tree, in some cases we did have trees, you stick it in there, by the time you pull it out, there's no biomass left on it. Now what happens then is this keeps the biomass from falling outside of the broom. Where it does go, if you look under here, there's a chute. We have a hoppers that are under here, or an elevator, and that way it gets, biomass drops down and gets taken up the elevator to where it's ground up and